I'm here to show you a very special place of Florence, one of the ancient European pharmacy. I'm on Officina di Santa Maria Novella. Well, this is actually not a real pharmacy. It's a unique place, so let's go inside to discover what they are actually produced. As you can see, the inside is absolutely amazing, so elegant. And this pharmacy has a very long tradition. The story began in the 13th century when a group of Dominican friars arrived in Florence and they started to cultivate medicinal herbs in their beautiful gardens to prepare medications or balms. The pharmacy was open to the public just in the 17th century. But it's also famous for the different products that they sell today since the 1600s. Beautiful perfumes, body lotions, fragrances. Regarding perfumes, can you imagine that they are still selling the perfumes that Catherine de Medici, the very first Queen of France, designed when she married Henri II, and she brought in France one of the friars that used to make perfumes with her. So learn all these fun facts during our Strolling Florence's Heart. Don't forget to book this tour on our website. I'll wait for you. Ciao!